Welcome to Raw Milwaukee. I'm your host, Brian Everton.
Hi, my name is Michael Gannat. This is Tim Foster, Brendan Pierce, Jamie Buencamino. We are Rude Rooster. 10 years, we've been in a band 10 years. We all contribute to the songwriting. Yeah, we'd like to be back at the rave. In 2 years, I mean, we're happy with what we're doing right now. We're not looking to do anything, worldwide or tour. We just enjoy playing for our fans in Wisconsin. Our experience with Raw has been good up to this point. We're excited to see what happens tonight. You can find Rude Rooster on Facebook or on Reverb Nation, and just Rude Rooster, the cock that rocks. We are Rude Rooster, and we are raw artists.